Okay, what I'm going to show you now is how to set up an add time hand scan from scratch. The first thing you need to do is add a supervisor on. A supervisor is the only person that can log into the hand scan, make changes to the hand scan, and ultimately add normal employees onto the hand scan. For the very first time that you set one up, you don't have to put your hand in, you don't have to prove you're supervisor because there isn't one. So you go clear and then enter, and it'll come to this screen over here, enter password. Password's number 4 and enter, and you'll get 3 screens appear here. You can get to each one by going no, and it just cycles through. So we've got add employee, add supervisor, remove user. So I'm going to add a supervisor, yes. ID number, this is the badge number in the software, so I'm going to go with number 1, enter, and 4 LED lights appear on here. They just represent your 4 pins where you have to put your hand. It's probably worth showing people how to put the hand on here, so I'm just going to clear that so I can demonstrate. Don't know if you can see this, but you need to make sure that all your fingers are touching the pins. This pin over here is going to go between your 2 fingers, and you're going to be squeezing the big one there, so that's a perfect scan. So I'll just add myself in, number 1, put my hand on. Okay, all the LEDs disappear when you get your hand in the right place. It's going to get you to do this 3 times. And it will say user enrolled afterwards. Now if I just clear out of this, my only number 1 and my hand will be able to log into this hand scan now. The difference between clocking in and logging in is at the start, to log in, I go clear, enter, and then put my number in the hand. If I'm just clocking in, or a normal employee is just clocking in, he's just going to put his number in, enter, put the hand on, and then now clocked in. To actually log in, and therefore add more people onto the hand scan, you've got to go clear, enter, put your number in, so 1, enter, put my hand in, and now it brings you back to the enter password screen. So again, the password's number 4, enter, and do I want to add another employee? So I'll say yes, badge number 8, enter, put my hand in again, again, badge number 8 enrolled, and I'll just get out of that. When you do come to use the hand scan, it's going to give you a score when you log in. The lower the better, really. Once you get into your high 80s, there's a good chance that that hand's going to fail. It's going to think somebody else put the hand in. So it's quite important that you get a good enrolment when you first set them up. It does actually learn from you putting your hand in, so that score should come down after a while. But again, if you're getting in the high 80s, you want to basically remove the user and re-enroll them. Okay, that's how you use the add time hand scan.